I think a lot of it, like we've all said before, a lot of it's communication. But I think a lot of it also has to do with media putting out bits and pieces of a story and certain narratives that the media want to get out, and not the entire story. And I think a lot of people buy into the story that they're told initially, without seeing the full picture. But I think a lot of it does just have to do with communication between what the city or what the public wants. And sometimes law enforcement doesn't know what it is that the citizens want.
Well, it's interesting because Detective, please don't unmute yourself just yet. Great point about the media. I often wonder why cities don't bring up lawsuits against the media at times for some of the things that they've put out that have created a false narrative within the community that could be dangerous for everyone.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Right? They don't spend as much time focused on stories that unite us.
Correct.
And paint us all in positive lights, because let's be honest, it hasn't been until recently that the media has begun, quote unquote, painting law enforcement in a bad light. That's recent, because before all of that, the media's specialty was painting people of color in a negative light, where all you saw was Black and brown folks in handcuffs. That's all you saw on television. And the media did that. So the media has played a role in demonizing everyone, whether they're law enforcement or they're non-law enforcement members of the community. When we start holding them accountable, I don't know. It'll happen when we become united, and we're so far from being united. I don't see that happening.